Hi crew, this is David again, and it's a lovely sunny morning here in Birmingham. It's 5 to 8, so I've been here since 6:30, so let's just get on with this. I just want to show you our new packages, so let's have a look. Okay, so here we are at my back office. I showed you the VIP membership and the self-development membership the other day, but let's just have another quick look at these. This is the VIP membership. You get all this and more coming every week. Everything that comes out in the future, or while your plan is active, is thrown into this one membership. So that's everything. Let's have a look at the self-development membership. Currently there are only like 3 here, but I will be adding more to it as time goes along, so it's well checking out. And social media membership, again, this is going to be bigger as time goes by, so that's what we've got so far. Instagram free traffic super pack is basically just a package that will show you how to use all the different kinds of social media, including blogging and all the social media platforms as well. Let's have a look at this business membership, because this is quite an interesting one. Let's have a look, find the mouse. For you this mouse is highlighted, but for me it's not, so it's basically like hunt the mouse, particularly as I'm visually impaired. I have to hunt the mouse all the time, but here is what you get in a business package at the moment. You will be getting more than this. You'll be getting a lot more than this in the next as time goes by. I mean, I'm going to be uploading a new one today, so as time goes by I will be adding more and more to these packages. Let me just run through the prices with you. The business membership is available for $10 per month, $80 per year, or $120 per lifetime. Social media membership is the same, $10 per month, $80 per year, or $120 for a lifetime. Self-development membership is the same as that. It's $10 per month, $80 per year, and I'll be adding a lifetime membership to that of $120. Let's go back to VIP membership, which is the everything membership, which is basically $15 per month, $100 per year, or $150 for a lifetime membership. If you want to have 2 of these, it's worth going for the VIP because you'll get it for cheaper. So if that's appealing to you, if you want to take advantage of that, then please head over to livethedreamonline.net. I will leave the link below, and you can check it out from there. Thank you for being here with me today, and I look forward to providing you with more videos in the next few weeks, months and years. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.